Hello friends, before starting this video, there is a disclaimer that you need to hear. If you know how to install any software in your computer or laptop system, then you can leave this video. Because you don't have to waste your time here. I am making this video for my brothers and friends who have bought their new computer and laptop. And they still don't know how to install their software. In this video, I will tell them how you can install software. So friends, if you don't know how to install software in your computer or laptop system in this video. So after watching this video, you will learn to install any software in your computer or laptop system very easily. As far as product software is concerned, I have posted those videos on the channel. So you can watch that video by clicking on the playlist. At the end of this video, the playlist will be shown to you. By clicking on it, you can learn how to install Photoshop and Microsoft Office. So in all those apps, you have to give the product key. But in normal software, you don't have to give any product key. I am telling you how to install it in this video. First of all, you have to open your file in your computer. You have to open the file in which your software is. So first of all, let's open our folder and find our software. So first of all, you have to click on this PC icon. You have to double-click on this computer icon. As soon as you double-click, you will see such an interface in front of you. So here, if you keep the software in any drive, then open that drive. Otherwise, if you download it, you can open the downloaded folder directly from here. If you look in the upper row, you will find the download written here. You simply click on it. As soon as you click on it, you will see all the software you have downloaded through the internet. We will show all the software here. The software you have downloaded in your computer so far. So here you can see that I have downloaded a lot of software in my system. Some of these software are in the zip file and some are direct software. If you have downloaded the zip file software, whose icon is like this. If you have downloaded such a software and want to unzip it, then you will find its link on the I button above. And to install any normal software, you simply have to go to that software. And you have to click on the right button of your mouse. If you are doing this on a laptop, then you have to click on the right button under the touchpad. As soon as you click on the right button, you will see such an interface in front of you. Now here you have to click on the Run as Administrator. After clicking on Run as Administrator, you have to wait here for some time. After waiting for some time, your process will start. If you want, you can also minimize this page. Otherwise, you can do all the processes here. So now I am going to minimize this page so that it is easier for you to understand. So after this, you will see some interface like this. Now here to select the language, it says that in which language you want to use your software. So I let English select here and click on OK. When you click on OK, some more interfaces will open in front of you. So here you have to click on Next. As soon as you click on Next, there are some licenses for it. If you have time, you can read it. Otherwise, you can click on Next. When you see the license like this in some software, it will be written below. I accept the agreement. So you have to click on it and then click on Next. Then this page will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on Next here. Then you have to click on Next from here. As soon as you click on Next, you will see a Next button in front of you. So here you have to click Next on all the steps that come to you. Then after asking Next 2 to 3 times in front of you, the option of Install will come. You just have to click on Install. As soon as you click on Install, this software will start installing in front of you. So it can take some time while installing. It will depend on the process of your computer. How is your computer? How is the RAM? So it is installed according to that. You have to wait until your software is installed in your laptop system. So after the software is installed, the Finish button comes directly. In my software, the Next button comes. So you have to click on Next. As soon as you click on Next, you will see the Finish button here. You have to click on it. Now the software will be installed in your laptop or computer system. Now you can use it. Just like you open all the software and use it. In the same way, you can use the software in your computer or laptop system. So friends, this was our today's video. I hope you liked the video. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.